Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to save the maximum battery on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now, as you can see, if we go to battery, it is showing that the battery is currently at 30% and the battery will last you for almost 1 day and 16 hours. Now, let's increase the battery life on our Mi Band 10. Now, to do that, just go back to the app drawer and from here, just tap on heart rate. From here, just scroll down and go to settings. Just tap on continuous monitoring and select off. After that, just go back, then go to SPO2. From here, just scroll down and go to settings. Now just tap on all day tracking and disable this toggle. After that, just go back and go to sleep. From here, just scroll down and go to settings, and from here, just go to advanced sleep monitoring and disable this option. After that, just go back and go to breathing rate monitoring. Now just disable this toggle. After that, just go back and go to settings. From here, just go to display, then go to always on display. Now just disable always on display. After that, just go back and go to raise to wake. Now instead of all day, just select off. After that, just go back and go to brightness. And instead of custom, just enable auto. Now once you do that, just go back. Now let's check how much battery we have saved. Now let's go to the battery. Now as you can see, the battery is currently at 30%, but the battery now will last you 7 days and 11 hours. And this is how you can save the maximum battery on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.